Hello, YouTube. Bearded guy Jeff Lawless here. We got a little color on the 1986 Elcamino, the Mullet. We're using Duplicolor, perfect match. It is a spruce metallic. It is a Chrysler color. I think it's gonna look pretty good on it. Before I turn you around here though, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share. Leave us a comment. We love reading them comments. And hit the old notification bell over. As of now, we're at 498 subscribers. We get 550. We're going to be doing a giveaway. So we're 52 people away from doing our next giveaway. Not sure what we're giving away yet. Not sure if it's going to be another kit or if it's going to be a gift card, or not sure yet. I hadn't made my mind up. So, but like I said, share us out there. So we're going to turn you around here and show you the mullet. Okay, this right here is the color. If I can get this to come in. There we go. It's BC00392 Spruce Metallic. Like I said, it's a Chrysler color by Duplicolor. Like I said, we've got the first coat on. I'm going to do a little wet sanding on it. See how that looks. And then we'll get another coat on it. And I'm still not made my mind up on a two-tone. I'm still contemplating. So, like I said, we're going to wet sand probably Friday. We'll wet sand it. Get it ready for another coat of paint. And then we'll decide whether we'll do a two-tone or not. If we do a two-tone, this right here is going to be the other color that goes on it. BNS0606 Majestic Blue. And it is a Nissan color. So I haven't made my mind up yet. But that's what I'm shooting for, probably. So that's it for now, y'all. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell, and like I said, let's get up to 550 subs so we can do this giveaway. And want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Hope you're all getting together with family and friends and enjoying each other's company and day. So, but from me and my house, like I said, happy Thanksgiving, y'all. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.